Hey, I'm Theresa.
I'm Keith.
And we are right smack dab in the middle of a midlife crisis. So you want to tell them what we did?
Well, most people in a midlife crisis, they go and they buy a Corvette, but unfortunately my bank account wasn't that high, so we got an RV.
Yeah, we got an RV. I talked him into it. I decided that I needed to just go all in with some minimalism, which didn't really work, but because I bought something else. But it's an easy way to kind of keep things, just not too much stuff in one place, and we get to travel around in it. So,
well, we are finding ways to put more things in this particular motorhome. It's a Class C 25 foot. We're going to go do some things that are going to be pretty exciting for us anyway, and we hope that you guys are going to enjoy it as well.
Yeah, so it's a Jayco Greyhawk. It's a 2004, so it's a little bit old. We're going to show a little bit of what we do to it, but we probably won't change too much of it. It runs really well. Runs real good, and we like it a lot. It will be me and Keith, and I have a special needs daughter, Katelyn, who's in her mid-20s, but she looks like she's 12, and she's freaking awesome. And we also have our toy poodle, Blue, that's going to be coming with us on our adventures. So we're going to be checking out my favorite things, wineries and
breweries. But most importantly, we're going to go see some casinos because we both enjoy gambling, even if we don't always win.
Yep, and we're also going to do some campground reviews, and you'll also get to see how RV newbies figure out their RV. So we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed it works out. I'm going to upload the video of when we actually bought Mealy. His name's Mealy. He is the Norse god of travel. And I'll put that video in here right now. And you're going through a quarter life crisis.
Yes.
And this is what we've done. So we got an RV. Yep, we bought this Jayco Greyhawk 2004 for $17,500. We had it inspected, but of course we knew it was going to need some cleaning.
Needs a little love.
It needs some love, and it's probably really, really dark in here, but we are prepared to clean and get it all cute. But there's the kitchen, microwave, cabinets, sink.
Ignore all the
yeah, and then all the freezer and the fridge, and here's the bedroom area, which I'm gonna throw this stuff out, and then there's the bathroom, which you probably can't really see in, the toilet and the shower, and yeah, that's it. So we're gonna get this done. We'll come back. Yay. And we will check back in with you guys pretty soon.
Bye.